Hello there guys, welcome back to my channel Travel Wonderful. My name is Giovanni and I'm so excited today as I am visiting one of UK's top tourist attractions, which is the Warner Bros. Studios here in London, which is essentially a museum showcasing everything about Harry Potter and the actual sets where the movies were filmed. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you like this video and remember to leave a comment below. Enjoy the video, Travel Wonderful. Located at the studios where all 8 movies were produced, the studio tour showcases the British talent, imagination and artistry that went into the making the impossible a reality on screen. Visitors will relive the magic through the eyes of the filmmakers who brought the Harry Potter film series to life. As we enter to the studios, we get to an amazing scenery, the Great Hall, serving as the backdrop to some of the film series' most iconic scenes, such as the Yule Ball and the Battle of Hogwarts. The Great Hall was first built for Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone in 2000 and was used as a key set for 6 more films. The spectacular Great Hall includes the costumes of students, plus 2 large tables which are set for dinner. At the top of the room is the teacher's table where the Hogwarts professors sat. As you can see in this set, the traditional candles have been replaced with pumpkin candles, as a tradition throughout the Halloween season. So as you can see, the studios are just amazing. I mean, it just blows your mind away. It's so big, and I wouldn't have expected to have so many people on a Tuesday morning. It is just so busy. There was a big queue to enter. You must pre-book your tickets at this website before coming in. The price is £45 per adult. Let's continue to enjoy the magical world of Harry Potter here in the Warner Bros. Studios in London. The tour itself is very interesting here in the Warner Bros. Studios in London, the making of Harry Potter, as we get to see the final product on each film. But behind that there is so much work that we cannot even imagine. So this gives you an idea of what's behind, give you the opportunity to feel inside the set of the films of Harry Potter. The Forbidden Forest might be strictly off limits to Hogwarts students, but visitors to the studio are invited to defy Professor Dumbledore's orders and follow the footsteps of Harry, Ron and Hermione deep into the grounds of the Forbidden Forest. Among the imposing trees you will encounter a full-size model of Buckbeak and have the opportunity to interact with the majestic creature. See up close the incredible detail and craftsmanship that went into creating the magnificent hippogriff. Each feather had to be individually inserted and glued by the creature effects team, who were busy adding feathers right up until the final moments. Buckbeak was needed on the set for Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. You can try even some magic yourself and go inside of the Hogwarts Express. In here you will have also the opportunity to try the famous Butterbeer that appeared in the series of films of Harry Potter. It is actually a not alcoholic drink, but it is made of butter, as the name says. So let's give it a try. It has a taste of beer, like a sweet beer. It's quite good. It's worth a try. The price is £6.95, which I find a bit expensive, but we're in a touristic place, so it's kind of expected. Cheers. So here behind me we got the Hogwarts Bridge, which appeared in the movie Harry Potter and the Prisoner of Azkaban. Even though it was never part of the original novel and script, the Mexican producer Alfonso Cuarón decided to make Harry's and Hermione time turner journey more physical and exciting, so he decided to create this bridge for this film, and this is the only part which is actually remain of this bridge, as everything else was done in a computer. Here behind us we got as well the three-decker London bus, the night bus, which appeared in the set of films Harry Potter. It is the original one from the films. It is quite amazing to see it. So we are in the Bank of Gringotts, the one where Harry had all his savings and Hagrid took him on his first journey to open his bank account. And here we got the main manager of the bank. We are now in the set of the Diagon Alley where Harry first came with Hagrid on his first adventure in order to go to Hogwarts, where he came to buy his first articles, his first wizard articles, so enjoy the view. It is said that J.K. Rowling got inspired by the Victoria Street in Edinburgh, and to be honest, it looked so similar. What do you think? And what we got here is the model representative of the Castle of Hogwarts that was actually made for the first film of Harry Potter and was used during the set of Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, and actually many close-up scenes were filmed in here. It is fantastic. Well guys, this has been all for this video. I really hope you enjoy it. Let me know in the comments below what was your favorite part of this tour and what you enjoyed the most. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you like this video, and remember to leave a comment below. See you on the next video.